Hello, Green Thumbs. Welcome to another episode of Shine on Saturday. We're diving headfirst into your gardening weekend, here to make your green space flourish. Today, we're sharing essential gardening tips, suitable for any zone. Ready to explore these tips? Here we go. First things first, know your zone. The world has many unique climates, each with resilient plants. Arid deserts have heat-loving cacti, temperate regions favor moss and wildflowers, and tropical rainforests house colorful orchids and exotic fruits. Each zone has its unique beauty and plants that thrive there. Regardless of frost or heat waves, you can always cultivate something. Remember, no matter what zone you're in, there's a garden waiting to bloom. All right, it's time to dive into those gardening tips that apply to all zones. Start with understanding your soil's type and nutrient content. Adding organic matter can enhance its fertility. Avoid overwatering. Consistency is key. A deep soak weekly is better than a daily sprinkle. Utilize organic compost. It's like a garden multivitamin. Prune regularly for maintaining plant health and growth. With these tips, your garden is sure to be the talk of the town, or maybe just your own personal paradise. As the sun sets on your gardening Saturday, remember every seed planted is a step towards a greener tomorrow. Your weekend gardening is not just a hobby, but a journey that deepens with every season. It's an interaction with nature that's inspiring. As you bid goodbye to your green sanctuary, let the satisfaction sink in. Until next time, keep those green thumbs working.